Hello and welcome to an episode on Quick Tech Tips. Today we want to remove the background from an image. So to do that, I'm going to assume you've got your image loaded into the program and got it here in our layers selection. And we're going to right click the image and add alpha channel. You don't need to worry about what it does. I've been using this software for a while and I'm not 100% sure on it. Just know this works, that's all. So just know it works. We're going to select the fuzzy select tool in the top left. Then we're going to select the background of an image. We'll see this gives us a nice dotted line around our image. And then we are going to click the delete key on our keyboard. And it's as simple as that. And this will work for any colour. We can click on our next image now. So we'll navigate to the layer selection on the right of the screen. We'll make sure we've added it to the alpha channel. So find add alpha channel down towards the bottom, click that, click on the image, and we can see all the parts now have these dotted lines going around. And then once that's got the lines going around, we can on our keyboard find the delete key, click delete, and the background is gone. If the background of your image was a few different tones or shades of the same colour, you may need to mess around with the threshold to allow the program to be able to choose all them different tones of the colour. I can't give you the magic number for it because depending on the image you have, that will vary. However, if you click delete and you're not satisfied with the final product, you can just use a keybind by pressing Control key and Z on your keyboard, and that will undo the previous command. So as we can see, it's come back from me pressing Control and Z. I can then click delete and it goes. Click Control Z and bring it back. So if you have any issues, you can just undo your actions very, very easily.